This is Twit.
This is an app that's been around for a little while and sort of climbed into the ranks and then disappeared, and it's back. And it is FaceApp. So FaceApp is the app for different platforms that uses artificial intelligence to do all sorts of designs and fun filters for your photos. There's a lot of F's there. So it can do makeup. It can make you old. It can make you young. It can give you gray hair. It can give you long hair. All sorts of things. Over time, the app has improved to offer more features.
It makes somebody look like Mikah Sargent.
Yeah, there's a Mikah Sargent filter. I actually shared on Twitter today some of the options that are available. So this one shows me with bangs. So
that's
clearly
you know what? That's uncannily realistic looking.
I'm impressed with how realistic it is.
Yeah.
Let's see. The next one is, I can't remember. Oh, yeah. So I thought this was really cool. I didn't have to do any editing at all to add that background. It uploaded the photo. This is the one bad thing about FaceApp that you need to be aware of. It's sending these things off to a server to be processed and edited. It doesn't do it on the device. And so just keep that in mind when you are using this, that, you know, the privacy policy is an important thing to be aware of, because we don't exactly know sort of what they might do with the photos after they're done with them, and who, yada, yada, yada. The regular thing, what am I trying to say? Caveat that you should be aware of. But regardless of that, I was very impressed with, you know, a lot of times apps try to do that. An example of that would be a photo booth, where you're supposed to be able to move out of the frame and then it captures the background, then you get back in frame and it can give you that wallpaper effect.
Well,
it doesn't work
help
that
me
well.
Do this, because I want to look younger. Now, I have been using the Crest whitening strips, so let's
true. So that was step one.
So just take a picture of yourself, right?
A picture of yourself with you sort of in the frame.
What's your suggestion? Does it matter if your eyes are open wide? I
suggest you don't smile, but keep kind of a neutral face.
Okay.
And that your eyes are looking directly at the camera, which there's no FaceTime attention correction for this. So
okay, so that looks pretty good, right? All right.
Yeah, that's a great one.
Yeah.
Now click use.
Processing the photo. I presume that's really uploading it to their server.
Uploading to their servers and sort of getting a basic understanding of your facial features and where they are.
I'm just curious. Can I just add a beard?
Yeah, you can just add a beard if you want to.
Let's see what it does. I've always wondered what I would look like. It kind of knows I'd be the most interesting man in the world. It's interesting that it knew that I had a gray beard. How does it know my beard would be gray? I guess it just matches my hair color.
Yeah, looked at your hair color and your eyebrows and sort of did a mix between those.
Do you think if I have a mustache, I'd look like a porn star?
Oh no, let's never do that. It's nice to know. You kind of get an idea of like, what would I look like with?
By the way, you can take off the beard too if you have a beard.
So I have facial hair, and so I wanted to see what it would do when I had facial hair, and it actually was able to remove my facial hair that I have and just show the ones that I wanted. That looks pretty good.
This is hipster, because it's like one of those, I don't know how you do it, magic beards. It kind of looks like you didn't shave, but it's a little longer than that. Okay, that's beards. I could change my. You remember I was going to change my hair color? Let's see what happens if I dye my hair brown. Do I look younger? No.
Wow.
I look like Better Call Saul. That's terrible. That's a terrible look. Not going to do that. Okay. I don't want to say who I look like, but blonde does not suit me either. All right. How about I can do hairstyles? I can do glasses. Should I make myself even older?
Try the old feature. Let's see. It makes me look horrible.
OMG. No. I look like Freddy Krueger. That is not a good look. How about younger?
Can we? Yeah,
baby. Oh, I look like OMG Chad. That's not what I looked like as a kid. By the way, it gave me acne, which I think is pretty funny.
That is funny.
Yeah.
And you see that on the bottom right there, right above the tile choices.
Yeah.
There's a little, it's like an arrow on either side with a line in the middle. That lets you easily see. You tap and hold on to that to see. Well, you have to, once you add a filter first.
Okay. You could turn it on and off and stuff.
Yeah.
Should I get a face tattoo?
Yeah.
Watch out.
Beautiful.
Watch out, Mike Tyson. Yeah.
And you see those little sliders there, folks. That slider lets you kind of increase or decrease the darkness of the tattoo. In this case, depending on which one you're doing, there are different options there. So if we go to, after Leo's done with his face tattoos, if we go to makeup.
Yeah. So is that under fun? Oh, no, there it is.
There should be one called,
Here's makeup.
Do you see one that has like the 3 bars in the right corner?
Yeah.
In the left corner?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tap on one of those. So this is just like an intensity slider. Ooh, how nice. A nice red stick.
This somehow looks like I might be that crazy person in the horror slasher flick. I like to wear
in the basket.
I like to wear women's clothing. Let's see. Matte. That's better.
Yeah.
Can I not have red lipstick? Do I get to...
I think that the one, the left choice is the least extreme of those 3 different choices.
Okay.
Still a little bit.
I still look like the Joker. I'm sorry, I got to say. But there are a broad variety of makeups. I'm sure on an attractive woman.
We should show the one of mine with makeup because it's horrible.
Yeah.
You look like a clown.
It looks like a clown.
It looks like I went to sleep with makeup on and then my dogs licked my face. And also someone poured water on me, and then I woke up, and that's how I looked.
Right. Oh, so you can also flick through these. Let's see, hair colors. Oh, fun is just some different ideas.
Fun are just, some sort of built-in ones where they do several different features. Like show you.
Here's time travel. As I age, yesterday, today,
and tomorrow.
I kind of like that. And I'm going to share that out to my non-existent Instagram account.
There you go.
Yeah.
Or on Twitter.
Yeah. That's cool. So
it's fun. It's been around for a while, and it used to not have as many options.
Yeah.
They've added so many options. Yeah. And like I said, some of those, the ones where it adds a background to it, I was really impressed with how well it cut out my actual head shape and showed that background behind, where I didn't have to do any adjustments to that at all. I don't know. Can we show my old man person? That one's pretty scary.
Yeah.
Frankly.
That's exactly what you're going to look like.
I hope not.
That's actually crazy. Yeah. Let me take my mom. So you can take other people's pictures. I'm going to take my mom and make her young. Let's see what will happen with Mary Laporte. That's a little creepy. It doesn't.
Yeah. So the photo is not. There's some shadows and things that kind of make it.
If I sent her this, she would kind of freak, I think. But this is fun. So you can take other people's pictures. You don't have to. I'm not going to. Should I just do this to Megan in honor of?
In honor, yes.
She'll be so glad.
Oh, this will be fun.
I don't know what should I do to her? Should I give her a beard?
Let's try it. Let's see what.
It's not a perfect photo. So again, you want to be full face, kind of. Okay, that's kind of mean.
There you go.
I won't do that to her. That's but we could age her. I could age her. Let's see what she'll look like. Old. This is fun. So
it is fun.
And this is poor Megan. This is exactly why she left the show. See, that's how she looks. I'm miserable. So but I would always take bad pictures of her. I promise not to do that. FaceApp. You can
take bad pictures of her. It's okay.
And you can, by the way, search for people. And, if you feel like, I think, Justin Bieber, I would like to know what he's going to look like when he gets older. You can actually, they have a celebrities catalog, and you can take that and let's just see what Justin's going to be when he gets to be my age. Damn it, he's still a good-looking fella.
With that, one of the things that I've noticed is when you're working on a photo, after you sort of do the processing, you can always go back to that one that you chose, and it'll pretty much immediately pull it up. So it sends it off to the server.
It keeps it on the server. Reason.
Yeah, it kind of keeps it and lets you see it. But I think that that's like per session. So if you were to go out and then go back in and choose a different photo, then that's going to be different. But it's kind of nice that, as you're sort of, going through and having a laugh, but then you choose the one that you actually want. You're not waiting for it to process again.
This is actually useful because it's really kind of helped me decide never to dye my hair.
There you go. Yep. And I kind of liked it, like I said, for seeing what a different facial hairstyle would look like.
I think that's really,
there's a bald option.
It's tempted me when I want to be the ancient mariner. As soon as I take off in my sailboat, that's it.
There you go.
That's what I'm going to
I think it's a good look for you. I do.
I think it should give you a choice of a David Letterman beard, though. One of those big, long, really. Nice. How about a little goatee? I might look good with a goatee. No. There you go. I like looking like the most interesting man in the world. That's my choice. Full beard. Pretty close, right?
I think so. Yeah.
All right.
I dig it.
All right. FaceApp. Thank you, Mikah, for reminding us, because it has added a huge amount of capabilities